Look who we ran in today again in the parking lot randomly. Andreas. Not just gonna stick the camera in his face, but I think his riding kind of speaks for the sled. Does some pretty impressive things on it. How's the Turbo R?
It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like it.
I'm excited to try one. Today is quite a shit show trying to keep the sleds cool. I'm stuck. Can I have a ski pole, please?
Yes, no problem.
Thank you. We've got a pretty big group with us here today. There's only 4 of us here right now. We got Sam, Jordan, and Nick down from Alaska. He's riding my 154.
Woo!
See if you can put it into a tree or two, or flip it upside down or something.
We're going upside down today.
Upside down. Let's see what we get into. It was nice of somebody to make us a trail through here. It does kind of take away from the fun though. We can finally see the mountain we're gonna go up. We definitely got a little bit of a late start to be going out here so far today. But luckily the days are pretty long and you know, it's not really a big deal if we come back in the dark. Ascending up the mountain now. With no tracks. Working our way through the cut block, then we're in the big mountains. Not a track, baby. I think what's over this ridge is gonna be pretty cool. Holy crap, man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Wow. I've always wanted to go over there. We might just have to do it today. Cool. New zones, baby. This zone's a lot bigger than I expected it to be. What a beautiful day again. It's no big glacier explorer mission like the other day, but it's pretty cool to be up here. and explore some big new terrain. You could drop all the way down here. Pretty cool.
Oh my god, that thing is so playful.
Are you guys looking at a 270 hit here or what? You know, Nick likes to get upside down. Alright, Nick, it's a rental. Don't be gentle. How's a snowstorm there, Landon? Here we go again.
This is not it.
Good attempt. Yeah, I guess since I forgot to mention, we got Landon out here too. Looks like he's gonna go for 270 as well. Nice. Three in a row, all clean. Just gonna keep the camera rolling here. Just on a roll, on a rampage. Jesus. What a wild man. Oh, I finally let one go. Hardly. His tether didn't even come off. I still, yeah, it counts.
I didn't ride out. There was a delay.
One more? Or another one? Nice. I probably parked in the worst spot, but you know, when Landon does that stuff so easy, it makes it look like I could do it. It makes me feel like I could do it, but I don't know. Don't think so. How you feeling now?
Oh man, I'm pumped.
Yeah, no,
That many in a row.
that was insane. You just kept going. Those were all like good landings?
Most of them, yeah.
Yeah.
The one I like, the tail came down a bit sooner than I thought.
Right.
And then it was kind of like, got yanked back, but.
Friggin' animal.
Oh, that's
Oh,
that useless.
You broke your running board though.
The What? Bucket?
Well, it's missing a piece.
Oh, another piece.
Yeah.
Just now?
Yeah. Well, I was already broken.
Oh my god.
Look at my plate. Okay, yeah.
This-
That's warranty. It's warranty now. Warranty.
How do you sell your snowmobiles?
I don't know. I'll have to part it out. I'll be able to sell the gas
He
cap.
hasn't sold any of his snowmobiles yet.
Yeah.
I know.
You haven't sold a single one of your snowmobiles.
Not any of the ones that I bought.
Wow. And snowmobiles aren't really meant to be ridden this hard. Or landing hard.
Oh, look at this nice plate. One on the inside too.
What a beautiful day. I want to ride that zone there. That looks sick. Just back to the jerry cans now. Getting ready to head out. We'll have to see how the other guys are making out. But I feel like I haven't really done a very good job of filming and kind of tying a story today. I don't know if that's just because we didn't really have a plan in mind. We just knew where we were going and we were going to see what happened from there. But, you know, we definitely had some fun out here. It was cool to explore some new area. And the guys got a little sandy. And we had some beautiful sun again. I think it's supposed to be sunny again tomorrow. And then some snow's going to roll in. What do you got to say for yourself?
An excellent day. I'm glad we could see this time.
I know, eh?
Yeah.
It's a little different when you could actually see. Well, we're working our way out of here, but this is where things get tricky. We gotta go uphill pretty good, and it's icy. Hear backup beepers and people taking different routes through trees.
Sketchy, buddy.
All right. Woo! I'm freezing. Let's get out of here. Made it back. Oh, look who's eating again. Literally never stops.